Welcome to Studykwik. Today, we want to find the distance between point A at 27 degrees 43 minutes south, 5 degrees 15 minutes west and point B at 27 degrees 43 minutes south, 18 degrees 29 minutes east. Let's begin by calculating the total change in longitude between points A and B. Since point A is west and point B is east of the prime meridian, the total change in longitude is the sum of their longitudes 65 degrees 15 minutes plus 18 degrees 29 minutes, which equals 23 degrees 44 minutes. Next, we calculate the departure distance using the formula, change in longitude multiplied by 60 times the cosine of the latitude. 23 degrees 44 minutes converts to 1424 minutes. Now multiply by the cosine of 27 degrees 43 minutes. Using cosine 27 degrees 43 minutes, approximately 0.885, the distance is about 1260 nautical miles, rounded to 1261 nautical miles. Hence, the distance between point A and point B is approximately 1261 nautical miles.